4 दिन में आएंगे बनारस तो पहले पैसा दे देंगे आपको पैसे
See, continuity of care is something which links care across pregnancy, delivery, and postnatal care, post delivery. And as Dr. Goyal was saying that we doctors would always say you should start from preconception, not straight away from pregnancy. So there are challenges in providing continuous care, both in private as well as public, corporate sector, because there are so many verticals that are involved. But what is really important that if there is a continuous care, there are less dropouts. There is a consistent monitoring. And whenever there is a risk, where we can escalate care whenever there is a risk is when the risk is involved, and as the patient stays with you for a long time and doesn't go away as we were talking, changes doctor. But then there will be more trust and there will be more adherence to the system. Because we have systems in place, what we don't have is, engagement. So sometimes that engagement is lacking and that will, put everything back to square one. That is the patient engagement should be there. Engagement of the patient in that healthcare system. So that should be there, and this continuity of care can come from the doctors. We need to actually move away from very doctor-centric to a team-centric approach to provide this. And there should be maybe counseling, a very structured counseling that could be given to the patients by the doctors, by through we can use this mobile apps. We can have AI and ChatGPT kind of thing. What do we call that? Chatbots. They can. So we can use many systems to give health information, because ultimately the aim is to make people more health literate, to have a behavioral change and improve trust and adherence to the system.
Perfect. We have time for one or two questions from the audience.